going to, let's see. So the CD-ROM has where'd it go? Okay. So the CD-ROM has 19 times 4. Looks like 19 times DVD file offset. 80. So how do you get 80 out of 20 times 4? Oh, that's how you get 80 out of 20. Okay. 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 Okay, so what about, there's I don't know if I can find this document. Let me show you what we're dealing with. Okay, there it used to be a very nice document. Oh, this is it, more or less. Yeah, this is it. This is the document. Okay, I'm gonna bookmark this. Bookmark this page in my shit. I think I call this research. Something like that. I don't really. I haven't done anything requiring. Why didn't that open? There we go. Okay. I'm surprised I don't already have it. Anyway, so there's what's called El Torito and some other so up to 15. Then you have, so the first 15 times 4 blocks are nothing, and then you have about 4 blocks that are special, and they're really there's really not very much in them, just a couple special words. We could look at an image, and I could show you that. Let's see if I can show an image. Let's go to the D drive. And we'll go to web. And I have some ISO files here. Let's dump them. Oh, let's see, how are we going to do this? Okay, so I say dir star true. So we want cluster dump cluster 0x. And then we have to, I think we have to say how many in the chain. Is it blocks? I think it's blocks. So let's say 16 times 4. Right, false, number. Okay, right, false. We're not writing this. We want 16 times 4. Oh, if this is clusters, that's way too far. Yeah, it's way too far. What's the... Oh, just 16, I think. I made the clusters equal to 4, I do believe. No, that doesn't look right either. It's supposed to be empty, except for El Torito at the top. I don't. Let's look at what this dump cluster does. What the hell is this? Cluster num. Okay, it advances clusters. Yeah, that's the right. Let's start with 0. What does it start with? 0? Yeah. Okay. So this should be empty. How big is that? That is. Oh, geez. Why is it so big? It's double size. That's two. What the hell? Why is it that size? Okay, so we want 8 times 4. That's not even correct. No, not times 4, just 8. You idiot. Why are you... Okay. So this is... Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So, starting at blocks 16 times 4, you have some strain... You have what they... you have... Okay, we'll get there. Here it is, ISO 1. So this is the format. So you have some blocks, 4 blocks at the starting at 16. 4 blocks starting at 16. One of them's called the primary volume descriptor. One of them's the supplemental descriptor. One's the volume. And inside of these, you have publisher, volume number, crazy stuff like that nobody uses. Primary descriptor. Now these are the CD-ROM file system. We're going to replace it with the RedSea, the RedSea is dirt simple. Anyway, so. We still are going to keep these this header section. You know, we could even make a just a raw big file that it would be compressed pretty much. I think we could just copy. We're not going to do that. That would be pretty funny to just make a. The header should be identical for all. One of the things it tells is where the what to boot. So you put. I have a bootloader that I made for CD-ROMs in my boot directory, and you put this. You have to put a pointer to this file, to this block. So here's my DVD bootloader. It's pretty simple. So we put that as one of the 4. Maybe we call it the 5th one. I don't know. Anyway, so so there's this is what we still require. Is setting up those 4 blocks, and then we're going to we're not going to have Actually, I think one of the things you specify is what format. So we're probably going to lie and tell them that it's a 9660. Otherwise, it wouldn't boot. That's just reality. And once it boots, it takes over and it doesn't matter. Anyway, so I'm going to let's see where is the boot. You tell it the stage 2 boot file name. My distro okay, that's the you tell it where the kernel is. Okay, now I know what that is. Okay, so let's look for stage 2. That's the kernel. That's what the bootloader loads. Okay, boot block. Pre-boot. There's a couple extra blocks. It's crazy shit. It's just silly. It's just there's a pre-boot. If it's a bootable CD-ROM, then it has a boot block. And this is where it's setting up the boot block, and it points the El Torito. It points to the block of the kernel, which is what. So if it's bootable, you do 17, 18. Then you have this 19. If it's not bootable, you just have 17 and 18. What we're going to do is always make it bootable. So we're going to prepend. We're going to prepend 20. No, 20 is the first. I happen to know that 20 is the first. Sup and term. Okay, so the boot goes before the next two. There's a 16. I think there's a 16. I could be wrong. And what this does is it makes 2 passes through the files. The first figures out all the block numbers, and then the second fills them in and stuff like that. Anyway, so where's number 16? I can swear there's a 16 somewhere. Let's look for 16. Control F16. The primary is, oops, checks, has some checksums. There it is. So there's a 16, then there's the boot block is a 17, then an 18 and a 19, or a 17 and an 18. So we're going to add 80 blocks as a prepend. So what we do is how will we signal this to the find block device type file. We need to add 80 blocks prepended. What if we just add 80? Let's say what do you want to call it? Prepend header. Let's just fuck it. Let's just do it this way. Oops, what's your malfunction? RAM disk. Oh, it's file disk. Okay, so we're going to make a min block. Oh, what about the min block? What if we define that? Min block. as a matter of fact, let's find min block. Okay. So I might have done this in the past. I don't think I did. Oh, yeah, that'll work. That'll work really nicely. Okay. So the min block. Oh no, that's not going to work. We're going to have to. We will set the min block, but that's not what we're doing. Start. We could do that. Base offset. What is this? Raw access. The demo. That's in the demo. Who sets the min block? I don't even think I said it. Are you kidding me? The min block is not even used. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. So it used to be used, and that's an out of date. Let's just see about this. Wait. Are you kidding me? Min block is not used. Holy shit, okay. So, it's set to 0 normally. So, let's go ahead and use it. So we're going to, how do we want to do this? Let's do it this way. The best way to do it is, okay, so find, I did fix that, didn't I? Okay, find min block. That's not much help. It's cleared to 0. That's how it gets set. So we're going to find bdg file. I want to change the format. Let's go to the format. There's RedSea and there's the other one, obviously. RedSea format drive letter quick. RedSea format. So we're going to. Oh, what am I? I'm sorry, I was not using full screen. Sorry about that. That's because we were looking at the. Okay. So, RedSea format lock set drive type set drive letter. Okay, this goes to the first block. Oh, you know what we should do? Okay, I know what we're going to do. Read blocks, write blocks. That's where we do it. That's where we do it. Okay, so read blocks, write blocks. We say buffer block. We say BD file. Oh, okay, this is going to interfere with, we have a BD min block. No, right here. Okay. We do write blocks. We have to go. Okay, if base block that's if it's too big. Now we say block plus equals BD min block. Okay, so it's going to make it pretty difficult to okay, block. So after we get through the check, it does the min block. Now we have to go to read blocks. After it gets through the check, we say block plus equals min block. Okay. This is a little bit, why is that not doing max block? Why is it using size instead of max block? Oh, the file system size. Okay, oh shit, what if, okay. That's all we have to do. Now we have a header. You want to? We shouldn't call it min block. We should call it. That's the offset. Why don't you? Let's call it, shit, block dev offset. How about that? How about BD? How about just offset? Yeah, that'll work. Let's change min block to offset. Okay, replace min block. Actually, we got to get rid of that min block. Let's just do all of them. Okay. On a partition, we have an offset, I do believe. Base offset. Oh shit. Let's call it block. Let's call it block dev offset. Yeah. Block dev offset. Block dev offset. Block dev offset. Okay, we're going to get rid of this. 0. Base offset equals Block dev offset. What is this? Raw axis. Oh, okay. Block dev offset. Okay. Now we're going to replace base offset with DRV offset. Okay. Beautiful. It's awesome. It is lovely. Okay, now we what? Duplicate member. It's a block dev. Max block. Where the fuck did that come from? Okay. What the truck did I do? Min block, max block, dev ID record. Oh, what is it? I was being weird with that. Oh, that was when okay. I remember. Okay. Okay, let's go see. Beautiful. Okay. Now, we so the size has to include. Okay, so when we're doing this number 3, we might, let's see, max block ceiling. Let me see, BD block dev offset equals DVD file offset, Control F4, DVD file offset. Okay, and we say max block plus ceiling. Okay, that's 80. That block dev offset, or the file offset's 80. It assumes you have a bootloader. Okay, result. Why don't we add to result? Okay, anyway. Result plus file offset. We have to do the, that's what we're doing. We're doing the allocation bitmap. So we do, so let's look at the format. Well, it's result divided by shift it over by block size. No, let's do it after the end. Result. Times 8 bits per byte. That's kind of arrogant, or what would you call it? Conceited. Let's see. Block size bits. It's kind of okay. Beautiful. So there's 512 bytes times 8 bits allocation in each allocation block. So we need, what if we use the, oh, we haven't done it yet. Okay. So we're going to look at RedSea format. So we have one DRV offset. Okay. So we have, where's DRV offset? Oh, look at that shit. We have a DRV offset in the boot record. We have a DRV offset. Okay. I almost thought it was something else. You can imagine what I thought it was. Okay. RedSea format. Okay, DRV offset. Cluster allocate. We allocate one. We allocate two. We write the boot record. We write the boot record. Then we start having directories. Those are counted. Okay, so the boot, wait a minute, where's the allocation table? There it is. And right there. Sectors, that's the bitmap sectors. And okay, we need this formula. As a matter of fact, what if we call a function to get this value? Oh well, let's see. Lots. I could, why don't I use ceiling? It's a little bit nicer. I'm paranoid I'm gonna screw it up. Oh well, you gotta be a man. Well, wanna be a man. Okay, let's see. That doesn't look nicer. And n equals BR sectors plus box size, here's one, divided by block size. Rounded up to the nearest so zero ceiling would be 0, and then divided by block size divided by multiplied by 3. Just do it. Fuck it. Okay, that's it. Okay, root cluster. Okay, so the boot record. What else is there? There's the boot record. That's it, I think. I think I allocate the allocation date blocks too. I don't remember. That's doing the first directory. So I think it's 1 plus, we need the file area. Where's the file area? Where does that go? Root directory. I could swear. Okay, we don't use the file area. Okay. Oh, we have to set the offset. We have to set that. It doesn't impact, let's see. Uh-oh, my beautiful plan. Oh, let's see. Okay. I don't think BR offset is used, but we need to BR is a RedSea boot. I wanted, we don't want the kids to have to deal with two coordinate systems. We just want blocks. So we want this to just be blocks, don't we? So for the file partition, we do no this wait. Let's take this slowly. We'll worry about that later. Okay, so let's get max block. Well, +1 resource. No. We don't need that. Let's put these in the order that they occur. We have the boot, the bitmap blocks. That's the allocation map, resource. Okay. Okay. Block device add. Okay, so what's this OneDrive? OneDrive, that's true. Like device add. Make free. True. whatever. Okay. So once we do this, then we want to do a, why mess around? Let's do this. Copy this copy tree. Take F. No, it doesn't take the mask. Well, source file mask, destination. Oh, okay, it does take a mask. Okay, this gets complicated. Oh, let's put no mask true. We want no mask false. Copy tree, files, find mask. Where's ST? Free ST. ST equals whatever, comma, %C, slash. It's kind of a waste. Comma. No, what? Boot, that's the boot drive. That's not what we want. M, next free, DV. What are you doing, boot drive letter, you idiot? Oh no, that is. Okay. We want DV drive letter. B. DV drive. Oh, no, don't do that. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's what we want. There's okay, so in theory, this will make a drive and fill it exactly. In theory, that's what that will do. Okay, let's make a backup. When you're working with the file system, it's possible to corrupt your disk. Okay. Let's just do it. So we can go over this. Look up Torito. I don't have it documented. Torito. So I think this is what I used the first time. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so this tells how to make it. This is block 16 and 17. You remember sector 17? Okay. You have to put those characters in there. Why doesn't this let me? Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. El Torito. So now in theory, you're supposed to be able to load a big. You specify what to boot, and in theory it's supposed to be big, but in practice it's only 3 or 4 blocks. So where is that? I don't know why it's only 3 or 4 blocks. So the 88 is not my year of graduating. That's what the weird thing is, I used that number one time in I think in the RedSea as an identifier. So there's an 88 here, which is kind of bad. So you have to put a block pointer to the boot, and you specify how many blocks to load. Let's go ahead and oh, I hate box. No, that's not what I had. I think I had the Microsoft is what I used to figure it out. Oh yeah, you have to say if it's emulation, do no emulation. That's the only one that works. Some of these things you have to try on a couple machines, and it's a nightmare. Obviously, you want one that works on all machines. Some people put a hard disk image on, and we're doing something very similar to that, except we're doing it by hand. Yeah, that's what you want. You want no emulation. And you can only do 2 or 3 blocks, even though it looks like it should take a lot of blocks. Your next stage, anyway. Okay, so stop. So we have to signal to our operating system that it's a RedSea at the time we the other half of this is we're only doing the first half right here. The second half is anyway, never mind. Okay, let's just do this. Let's do this puppy. So, ISO read RedSea. Anyway, okay, ISO RedSea. /home/star : The FUF flags, that's not good. We can't take that. How about, yeah, let's get rid of that. We're doing a copy tree, and the copy tree doesn't have FUF flags. We would have to manually copy, and we don't really want to do that. It would be easy, but no, we don't want to do that. This is kind of, well, anyway, FUF flags. Plus recurs. Okay, so we don't have any FUF flags. We just have recurse. Okay, we're not being very standard. This is an irregular. This is not how we normally do things. FUF flags. None of that, just recurse. Okay. Now we can do a mask. I think a mask is okay. So let's see what this does. Ready? Let her rip. File size, exception drive. Okay, so it didn't allocate enough room. Let's see, what is this? 44 meg. And let's do drive report. Damn. I'd say that's messed up. It's looks like it's not blocks. What is this? It's bytes. It's bytes instead of blocks. So 0x. That's bytes instead of blocks. So let's change directory ... drive M. Oh, we have to delete this. It's okay. Delete. Let's reboot. Let's go to here. How did we end up with bytes instead of blocks? Okay, we have RES is bytes, not blocks. Max block. Oh, what did you do that +1 there for, you idiot? Let's do ceiling U64. Block size. So this is 512 bytes, and that's 9 bits. Okay, well, let's give it a shot. Exception. File size. What did we... That's better. What do we got? 15283 times 512. Oh, look at that. Okay. So 4436. So we filled up the disk. Oh, the home directory. Let's see. No. What if we add 1 because of the directory? I think that's what we need. Let's reboot. Oh. Okay, so why did it do that? We have a long boot. It must be reading. Oh, why is it's reading that? Why is it's reading that for the autocomplete? Damn. The autocomplete shouldn't scan that. Whoa, 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 where did it go? What happened? Let's do... one plus oh, what about the sector 0? Okay, CD. Where's the disk? What the truck? Let's do class rep. Letter to block device M. Systemp. Why are you doing systemp? Oh, it's because you did that. Okay. So let's go Control D. Oh. Okay, let's go to Control D. Temp. What? Where did the temp files go? You idiot. Okay. No, we want it. We want a temp. Boot drive timestamp count. Why don't we do a drive? Why don't we always do the drive name? Let's just keep it simple. Shit, yeah, let's do that. Okay. So let's get rid of file disk name. Okay. Kernel. File disk name. History. Control T. On second thought, file disk name. Okay. Let's do buffer string length string print buffer file disk name. Buffer string 2. Okay, file disk name. Oh shit. Okay. Lock device. Is that in place? Yeah, okay, maybe. Block device, lock forwarding. Control T. File disk name, nothing. File disk name. File disk name. Damn it, it ruins the string. Is ST used? Match case hold labels. Free ST. No, ST is not used. Beautiful. Okay. Escape. Okay. ST. All labels. ST. Did I remember getting rid of it? Found this name. Found this name. Found this name. Exploit. ST. Okay, Control F, file. I don't remember getting rid of it. Found this name. Escape. Okay. Escape. Okay. So damn it. What the truck is that? Exception drive. Reboot. Uh-oh. Boot drive D. Check all. Oh, I hate when that happens. Okay, Control Tab. Let's see. Boot drive D. You want to do a copy C to D. Shouldn't be allocated. Okay. Oh, not a copy. Okay. Let's copy C to D. Fuck it. I know what I'm doing. Copy CD. Okay. Copy D to C. Reboot. Okay. Okay. So let's just see if all my files are still here. Looks good. I hope so. Okay, so believe it or not, we just nuked our drive and then recovered. So you want to save it as a find file. You know what we could do? No, we should allocate it. That's how we operate. Okay, where's the block forwarding? Lock forward. Find. This has to be block forwarding. Block device init. There we set up. Okay, so the lock forwarding is after we set the file name. Okay. So the problem is only the boot drive is allowed to have the file partitions. You want to specify a drive? No. In the future we might do that, but okay. So let's try number F5. Control FST labels. Free SD. Okay, ready? Invalid file name, file not found. Okay. Drive report. Check. Drive M. Okay, we got drive M created. Invalid file name. Who did that? Okay, let's RAM reboot. Mount. Drive M. Control D. Drive M. Nothing. Let's copy home. Let's see. Let's copy tour. Drive M. Okay. Drive M. Drive view. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, So. So, the size is not correct. How close is it? Let's see about, can we make the copy echo? Copy tree. Copy single. So contiguous makes it more efficient. Okay. Copy tree. copy tree too. Okay, so let's okay. Now we have to delete that. Delete. Now we number 3 ready. Here we go. Why didn't it print copy tree? Invalid file name. Made the drive, then it got an invalid file name. Star file not found. I guess we can't do the mask. We should be able to do the mask. What is your malfunction? Mask. No mask. Okay, let's just do this. Escape, Control D, delete the drive. Control Escape. Oh, shit. There's no way to unmount a drive, for one thing. Okay, I don't think this is going to work. What the truck? Oh, it's copying the tree now. Woo! Who are you to wave your finger? Okay, so, Control D, crap, Control D, that's Control L. We're getting characters, crazy characters printed. Okay. Reboot. 1. Mount. M. Control D. Drive M is nothing. Okay, check all. Control D. Let's make sure we can Control D. Miscellaneous tour. Okay, quit. Reboot. Control D. Oh, if you do Control D, it does the drive M, and that's what's messed up. So delete that. Okay, why don't we just how about plus? Let's just give it a little more. Oh, we need to subtract off the... Okay. We have to subtract off the block device offset when we... Okay. Block device add. I don't think this is how we want to do it, but let's just start with this and then we'll try something else. Okay. So we go block device add. Basically, at this point, the init should, the format should sectors. Let's go to format, RedSea format. Okay. Sectors, DV size. We don't even have block device. DV size. Quit. Okay. Size. Okay. Okay, well, I guess we do the sectors. C block device star BD. Okay. Just do it. Okay. Control D. Error. Okay. delete. Oh, did I delete it? I think I did. Okay, let's do this again. Let's see if they're there. Drive M DIR. Okay, let's go into okay now view DRV view. It's completely full. We have a couple little gaps at the bottom. That might be what's causing the problem. Perfectly sized. Now if we do Control D, it doesn't like that. What? Check. Invalid file name. And it's doing the bin. What if it's a size 0 file? No, there's no size. Let's see if we can how about we add one? I think we need several. Why didn't it give an error running out of room? Control D. I don't even know if we get errors like that. Control D. Delete. Looked like we needed about, I don't know, 30 or something. How about 250s? How about 512? Escape. Control D. No, it's not. So the block device. So it's not that. What if we set this to 0? Let's see if it works. Control D. Control D. No, it didn't work. os402.html. I know what file that is. Okay. Control D. Delete. Find. It's in download bin. VM out. Okay. What if we have a size 0 file? I think that could be the problem. Okay, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna take a break. Let's see. Okay, now let's what? Control D. Look at that. It's corrupted. Okay. What if it's, let's see, no. Selective. Let's do that. Uh-oh, what if we add in the future? Okay. Oh, this has to be modified by the block offset. Oh, where do we set BD? We don't set BD. Are you kidding me? What? Oh, there's BD. Okay. Is the letter already set? BD first drive letter, yeah. No, we better hope it is, yeah. Shit. Let's see. It's not working. The it zeros this. I know it zeros this, doesn't it? I know it zeros it. Okay, I'm gonna take a break.